Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. Earlier we had talked about the silent features of environmental awareness through education, and today we are going to discuss about the programs of environmental education for attitude changes among the children with special reference to Save Dal Lake, Save Hangul and Save Tiger project. Today specifically we are going to discuss about Save Dal Lake. ओके ऑलराइट देन लेट्स स्टार्ट। शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं, अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन। एनवायरमेंटल एजुकेशन जो है, एज यू नो, इट्स नॉट ओनली लिमिटेड अप टू imparting scientific knowledge about ecosystem and pollution। जो वन ऑफ द मोस्ट क्रिटिकल गोल है एनवायरमेंटल एजुकेशन का, दैट इज़ बेसिकली द एटीट्यूड ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। That is basically shaping how individuals think, feel and act towards their environment. And effective environmental education programs जो है, they aim at to shift the learners from being the passive consumers of natural resources up to active, responsible stewards of nature. And Save Dal Lake initiative जो है in Kashmir, it serves as an ideal case study for अंडरस्टैंडिंग हाउ एनवायरमेंटल एजुकेशन जो है इसको हम यूज़ कैसे कर सकते हैं एज अ टूल फॉर एटीट्यूड चेंज। एंड डल लेक जो है, इट्स नॉट ओनली ए वाटर बॉडी बट रादर इट इज़ द इकोलॉजिकल, कल्चरल एंड इकोनॉमिक हर्ट ऑफ श्रीनगर। हाउएवर अनचेक्ड टूरिज्म, urban expansion and sewage inflow encouragement and also solid waste pollution जो है, that have severely degraded the lake. This makes Dal Lake a high-stakes, real-world environmental classroom that is perfectly suited for environmental education interventions, which focuses on changing attitudes and behaviors. ठीक है। So Dal Lake जो है, it acts as a living laboratory, जो कि रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं डायरेक्ट कन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन इकोनॉमिक इंटरेस्ट्स इंक्लूडिंग टूरिज्म, हाउस बोट्स, लाइवलीहुड्स, अर्बन डेवलपमेंट including settlements, infrastructure and ecological preservation which include water quality and biodiversity. Because जो students हैं, they can see, they can touch and they can also experience the consequences of environmental degradation first hand. So जो डल लेक है, it becomes a living laboratory जहाँ abstract environmental concept जो है that turns into the personal and moral concerns. Okay. First of all, talking about the psychology of attitude change in environmental education. For environmental education to genuinely change attitudes, it must address three interconnected psychological components, which include, first जो है, that is cognitive component or thinking. जो cognitive component है, it include developing scientific understanding and awareness of the problem. And in the context of Dal Lake, जो students है, they learn about the causes of pollution including the sewage discharge, fertilizers from floating gardens and plastic waste, and also the effects of eutrophication and algal bloom, and also the loss of aquatic biodiversity, shrinking lake area due to the encroachment. And ये जो knowledge है, this knowledge helps students, it will help students to understand why Dal Lake is deteriorating, which will replace the ignorance or misinformation with the clarity. ठीक है। सेकेंड जो है, दैट इज अफेक्टिव कंपोनेंट और फीलिंग। जो नॉलेज है, इट अलोन डज नॉट चेंज द बिहेवियर, सो जो इमोशनल अटैचमेंट है, दैट इज ऑल्सो एसेंशियल। लाइक जो एनवायरमेंटल एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम्स हैं, द एम्स है टू build love and pride for Dal Lake. They also aims at to evoke concern, empathy and moral responsibility, and they connect students emotionally to the lake's beauty, history and cultural identity. And जब students जो है, when they feel the loss of the lake, जो protection है, that becomes a personal issue rather than abstract concept. थर्ड जो है, that is behavioral component और action. जो behavioral component है, it is the final and most important step in environmental education. जिसमें जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको encourage किया जाता है so that they can participate in cleanup activities, they can adapt environmentally possible habits, and they will also advocate for conservation in their families and communities. And ये जो behavioral component है, it will ultimately transform learning into the lifelong environmental behavior. ठीक है. Now second, talking about the silent features of Save Dal Lake education program. Well designed environmental education programs जो है for Dal Lake, these programs integrate emotional, scientific and action oriented strategies like first जो है that is sensory immersion and effective mapping, which include Shikara classrooms. जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको मतलब लेक्स पे लिया जाता है इन शिकारस रादर देन दे ओनली लर्न फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट बुक्स, जहाँ वो ऑब्जर्व करते हैं क्लियर वाटर जोन्स, दे आल्सो ऑब्जर्व weed choked polluted areas, and they also observe their floating garbage and sewage inflows. So when they see such issues, they contrast between the healthy and degraded areas, and they learn how these healthy and degraded areas create a strong emotional response. Similarly, storytelling and cultural memory, like जो interaction है with Mir Bahari community, which is these are basically the traditional lake dwellers. So जब students जो है when they interact with such communities, it allows students to hear stories from the lake's past beauty. They understand how livelihoods and lifestyles have changed, and they also experience a sense of intergenerational loss. And ये जो स्टोरी टेलिंग है, दिस अल्टीमेटली ह्यूमनाइजेस द एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन एंड फोस्टर्स एम्पैथी. सेकेंड जो है दैट इज साइंटिफिक एनक्वायरी और कॉग्निटिव शिफ्ट, विच इंक्लूड वाटर क्वालिटी टेस्टिंग. जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं दे एंगेज इन हैंड्स ऑन साइंटिफिक एक्टिविटीज सच एज दे मेजर pH level of water, they test turbidity of water, and they also analyze the dissolved oxygen in the water. And जब students जो है when they see low oxygen levels in stagnant areas, they develop the idea of fish suffocation and ecosystem collapse, and they think such problems जो है that are real. Similarly, mapping encouragement, like जो students हैं they will also use satellite images, old maps and views from Shankaracharya Hill, जहाँ students जो हैं they observe how the lake's area has shrunk due to the illegal constructions, floating vegetable gardens and urban pressure, and it will ultimately develop a critical environmental reasoning and spatial awareness among the student. ठीक है. Third जो है that is service learning and action competence, which include Sharamdan, which is voluntary labor. जो organized और जो clean up drives हैं, such organized clean up drives जो हैं they allow students to physically remove the plastic waste, and they also experience discomfort and disgust towards the pollution, and they also develop a strong anti-littering attitude. And ये जो physical involvement है students की, it will ultimately create a deep psychological impact. ठीक है. Then solid waste management education, like जो students हैं especially in lakeside schools, उनको सिखाया जाता है about the waste segregation at source, compositing organic waste, and prevention of waste from entering drainage channels. And ये जो solid waste management education है, it ultimately links daily habits to the environmental outcomes. ठीक है. Now talking about the advocacy model, students as voices of the league, which include letter writing campaigns. जो secondary students हैं उनको सिखाया जाता है how to write letters to the leagues and waterways development authority, local newspapers, or to municipal bodies. This ultimately teach students democratic participation and environmental citizenship. Similarly, art and creative expression, like जो students हैं they engage in various activities like in painting competitions, uh, poetry writing, street plays, such art and creative expressions जो है that also help students to express hope and concern. They visualize ecological restoration and they develop a personal relationship with the lake. Third, talking about the key themes for attitude transformation among students. Theme जो है like value of water. जो old attitude and that will be like something water is for tourism and profit. But जो new attitude है that is something like जो water है it is a life support system. Similarly responsibility, old attitude कि अगर हम responsibility अगर हम देखें old attitude से old attitude point of view से so we will say जो government है it should fix it, but if we say it in a new attitude we will say I am a stakeholder and I have also a responsibility. Similarly waste की अगर हम बात करें, अगर हम इसको old attitude view से देखें we will say जो लेक है it can absorb my trash, but अगर हम इसको न्यू एटीट्यूड से देखें we will say every plastic जो है that will harm the lake. Similarly biodiversity, अगर हम इसको old attitude view से देखें we will say just weeds, these are just weeds and water, but अगर हम इसको न्यू एटीट्यूड से देखें we will say जो biodiversity है it is a complex living ecosystem. So ये जो शिफ्ट्स है these shifts also reflect a deep internal change, not superficial awareness. ठीक है. For talking about the challenges in changing attitudes which include livelihood versus conservation, like जो children have from lake dependent families they may fear loss of income, restrictions on houseboats or farming, but जो environmental education programs हैं they address this by promoting sustainable tourism, eco-friendly livelihoods and balanced conservation models. Similarly normalcy bias, like अगर students जो हैं they have only seen a polluted Dal Lake they may accept it normal, but जो solutions है that also include showing historical photographs, comparing Dal Lake with the cleaner lakes, restoring a healthy baseline in students' minds. Okay, we're talking about the indicators of successful attitude change, which includes spontaneous action. जो students हैं they will take action, like they will stop others from littering, they will correct their family members' behavior. Similarly career aspirations, they will develop interest in the environmental science, law, urban planning, ecology. Similarly persistence, like they will continuously participate in Save Dal clubs or programs, and they will also engage in activities beyond the school requirements. ठीक है. At conclusion we had learned that कि जो Save Dal Lake है it basically जो environmental education programs हैं they demonstrate that कि जो meaningful environmental protection है that begins with the attitude change, and by integrating emotional engagement, scientific inquiry, service learning and civic advocacy जो environmental education है it transforms students into the empathetic guardians of their natural heritage. So to Dal Lake and this context it becomes more than a polluted water body, and ultimately it becomes a powerful teacher, and through such programs जो education है it evolves, it develops into the ethical awakening which ensures that कि जो future generations हैं they will not only understand the environmental problems but they will also feel the responsibility for solving such problems. So guys that's it for today. I hope आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हुआ होगा. अगर कोई भी डाउट कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप कमेंट सेशन में ज़रूर लिखिए. So that is it. I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Discipline Dark channel. Thank you for watching.